Hi, it's Gina. I wanted to share with you my Level Up project. I chose to do 2022 Volume 7 Steampunk Spells. It's a Graphic 45 album kit. Instead of using Steampunk Spells, I chose to use Letters to Santa 12 by 12 collection pack. I also used the Patterns and Solids. Also, from Letters to Santa, I used the Ephemera assortment. And this is my Level Up project. I did a tea bag style folded tree and added it to the front. This was from the ephemera pack. This is from the sticker sheets. The little snowflake was from the ephemera pack. Then I used Graphic 45's Pearl Gems and added them to my tree. On the spine, I cut a photo strip and cut little pictures from the paper collection and added them in. So here you can see the pyramid album. I just added a book base to it. I added another photo strip here with little photos in it. The first page has a couple journaling cards in it. And then we have a staggered waterfall. So you end up with this picture. Then we have another tea bag folded tree, just a smaller one. This little page has two little pop-up frames. This page, I used one of the cards and made a pocket and put two journaling cards in it. On this page, I added a Graphic 45 metal key, some ephemera. This was cut from the paper. Room for a photo. And then that folds down. Journaling and room for another photo. On this page, another waterfall. On this page, I created a pocket. I fussy cut him out and just added that in. Then I made 3 tags. These are from the sticker sheet. This is also from the paper collection. You could add a photo on the back. The last page on this side, you can add 2 photos there. They will slide right under that decoration. This page has a journaling card. Then I used some cream colored cardstock and just made a little fold out to add photos to. We're back to the front of it, and it opens on this side. Journaling card. This page, this was from the sticker sheet. Got a little photo there and a photo there. This little bird was in my Christmas stash. I did my belly band just a little bit different. This just slides. And then it has a journaling card. Then you slide it that way. Room for photo. Room for more photos. On this page, I created a little pocket and put a journaling card in, and the large tag. On the last page, I created a little bit of a flip there. And then these pull out. I just created a little card out of this little decoration. This is from the paper collection. They also did a little fold out on this one so that you can add more photos. And on this page, a photo mat. This is from the sticker sheet. And then those pull out because I created a pocket behind. Those were from the sticker sheet. I just added them on. And then one last large photo mat. And that is my level up project.